Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a storage account. A storage account can store up to 500 TB of data, and it is used to store object data, NoSQL data, queues, and file shares directly into the cloud. Let's get started. So we'll search for the storage account from a top search bar. As you can see, it's an empty subscription. So we'll be clicking on create a storage account. Here we would be providing few details. We'll be creating a resource group and creating a storage account name. So here one thing we need to keep in mind that storage account can contain only 3 to 24 characters, and it should be lowercase. Only letters and numbers are allowed. Then I'll choose my location to West Europe. Keeping performance as standard. Standard is just an HDD magnetic disk, whereas premium is solid state disk, which is SSD. Keeping account kind default, which is storage v2. The replication I'm going to choose is LRS. Yeah, and access tier would be hot. So I'll be clicking next. Here I'm going to leave everything default, and I want to connect my storage account from the internet. That is the reason I'm going to keep it at public endpoint and click on next. All this data protection I'm going to leave right now as is and simply clicking next. For the advanced tab, I'm just going to keep everything as default. The secure transfer required should be enabled, and it should be accessible from internet, hence allow public access is enabled. We'll go to tags. I'm going to provide environment tag whose value is test in our case, and simply click on next. From this review and create, we can simply look at all the parameters which we have provided in the previous tabs, and after we are satisfied, we'll be clicking on create option. In the meantime, while this is being deployed, if you want to deploy storage account using Terraform code, the link is provided in the resources section. Yeah, as we can see that it is created, we'll be going to our resource, and we can simply see that this is our resource group and the storage account which we have created and all the parameters which we have provided, the location, the tier, the account kind, and everything. That is all from this lab. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.